Come test drive the 2016 Traverse. Chevy Traverse is more stylish than minivans and far more fuel and space efficient than truck-based SUVs. Crossovers like the Traverse are excellent family vehicles and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, daytime running lights, fog lights, braking assist, power brakes, airbags, front, center, cruise control. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.